One of the primary reasons why we felt like Tera Miranda would be a perfect fit for MarineMax, as you can see behind me, our 50-ton travel lift, as well as our travel lift well. It's one of only 2 wells on Grand Lake. It gives us a ton of flexibility, gives us the ability to pull just about any size of boat here on Grand Lake, from sailboats to this 58-foot Sunseeker that you see behind me. We've got a 53 Azimuth here on the hard that we're doing some work to. So again, when we looked at expanding our service capabilities, this was one of the primary attractions to Tera Miranda. Another reason why we felt like partnering with Tera Miranda made all the sense in the world is you can see behind me, this is our new set of shop buildings. It's one of the largest facilities on Grand Lake. We have 12,000 square feet under one roof. Directly behind me is our largest bay, and what's so special about this, I mentioned to you earlier our 50-ton travel lift. We actually have the ability to pick a 60-foot boat up with our 50-ton travel lift, drive it directly into the bay behind us, set it on the hard, and still be able to close the shop doors. So we're very excited to be standing at the spot of our future sales center here on Highway 125. You know, Monkey Island is such a special place. There's just a ton of traffic here on Monkey Island, and so we wanted to absolutely be a part of that. Very excited to be breaking ground on the sales center here very shortly. As you can just take a look around. This is their development side of the property. This is Tera Miranda Shores. I think there's 10 homes in here that have been completed, 2 more under construction. This is just phase 1. Just another example of why we wanted to be on Monkey Island, but more importantly, why we felt like Tera Miranda was the right spot for us. So I'm standing here on the patio of the Quarter Deck Cafe here at Tera Miranda Resort. And again, you talk about another reason why this is going to be such a wonderful partnership for MarineMax. Behind me will be our floating sales dock, where we'll have on display all of our larger Sea Ray, Boston Whaler, and Crest pontoons. So when you think about Tera Miranda and our partnership from the service standpoint, the highway sales facility, you think about the restaurant, the marina, and a wonderful view that looking over our sales dock will be a great thing. Can't wait to see you on the water.